Alright, so these are the sliders from the front caliper. I checked the driver's side rear, and that one really doesn't need it. Those ones still had grease, so they're totally fine. This side was actually pretty good in the rear as well. You guys could see it was pretty lubed up and they were pretty free moving. But these fronts were so bad. This one was terrible when I did it a few weeks ago. This one is super bad. Everything's just dry. It was really hard to get the bottom one out, as you guys could see. So I'm gonna go ahead, hit these with the wire wheel here, and then kind of smooth them up and get all of this old crusty stuff off, and then we'll grease them up and throw them back in, and hopefully, yeah, we'll lose a little bit of resistance at the wheels. So yeah, so I got the pins all cleaned up. Here they are. They are nice and shiny, nice and fresh looking. Hit them with the wire wheel and then a little bit of steel wool, and just some simple green cleaner as well, just to kind of clean them up and clean all the crud off of them. So the grease that was in here was all dried out and caked on, and rubber and grossness just contaminating these, so they did not slide whatsoever. So how that loses you power or drive with the wheels is the brake is supposed to be able to self-center itself on the rotor, but when these things are all seized up, it is not floating, and there is constantly a drag on one of the two pads. And that will lose you some power from your car, basically. Yeah, it's a smart thing to get under your car and do. And I'm gonna throw this back together because I'm over it and I want to drive the car already. So we can feel what the O2 sensor did, we can feel what the new spark plugs did, and we can feel what cleaning up the brake sliders actually did for the car. So yeah, there it is. We're about to take it out for its first spin and see if anything is different with those new plugs. We'll let it warm up and then we'll go out. So the car is outside warming up. We're gonna take it out for a drive. I'll take you guys with me. It's probably not gonna be crazy because I'm not trying to get pulled over, but you can go with me for a ride, see how the car drives with the new O2 sensor, and then when I get back, I'll give you guys some feedback on that. And I happen to be walking up to the porch, and this was actually laying there, and it's Amazon packaging, of course. I don't even remember really ordering this. I know I ordered some batteries for an electric bike that I'm building, but I don't remember ordering this. I guess it was still in the cart, so this is here now. And I guess while I'm out, I'm gonna go get some spark plug defoulers. It's just what people use as a ghetto way to space out their O2 sensor and the downstream one, and kind of clear some codes and get the car to not throw codes because of the turbulent air from the straight piped car messing with how this O2 sensor works. So I guess we'll do that while we're out as well. And I'm hungry. I'm gonna get some food. I just got back from cruising the car around. It was kind of boring footage, but there it was for you guys. You got to see me drive around a little bit. Heard a couple backfires. It was pretty fun. And there was like a huge car meet going on downtown, like huge. That's the most people I've seen in a while. So good on everyone in Santa Fe. Get out there, park downtown, hang out. It's chill to see. I like that. I should stay down there, but I have food, so I'm gonna eat. So anyway, I got these. They are anti-foul things for your spark plugs, but it is the same thread pitch as the O2 sensor. So what we're going to do is drill one of these out. Make sure not to hit the threads on the inside here, but drill it out big enough so the O2 sensor can fit inside here. And then we will thread that one into the non-drilled one, and then thread it into the bung in the exhaust for the O2 sensor. So that in theory should, because my car is straight piped, you guys know, 3-inch straight pipe all the way back, and the O2 sensor is actually triggering a check engine light, and it's been like that ever since I did this project with the car and took the catalytic converter out. So yeah, we're gonna try and make this quick fix while we have this fresh O2 sensor here. We will just go ahead and kill 2 birds with 1 stone and just get that over with. So yeah, that is the plan. I'll probably just catch up with you guys tomorrow in the morning. That's when I plan on installing this at least. We'll get it all installed, get everything all finalized, and move on from there.